Good evening, Hilltop families. Hope you guys have had a wonderful week. Can you believe it's November already? Boy, September and October completely flew by. This has been a great week. I'm enjoying the fact that the art show is behind us. Huge shout out to so many of our parent and alumni parent volunteers. Could not have done this without you guys. Joanna Guarda, Jenny Clancy, Martine Romano, thank you guys so much for spearheading our efforts. I don't want to say any other names because I know that I will inevitably leave someone out, but this was an enormous success. This is the first art show that I've been a part of, so it was just wonderful to have so many members of our community coming to campus and celebrating the arts. So thank you guys so much, both for those who gave so freely of your time and talents, and for those of you who were able to come and participate and buy some art. This has been another incredible week here at Hilltop. Our Monday morning meeting was spearheaded by our student council. A few brave souls dressed up as some different food items as we prepare to launch a time-honored tradition here at Hilltop, which is the Thanksgiving food drive. So each grade has been given a different food item to bring in. We've got some healthy competition going on, and it's going to be just a wonderful way to give back to the community. I know that I'm always staggered to learn about some of the families struggling right here in our own backyard. Right? These aren't people struggling with food scarcity, somewhere else. I mean, this is right here in Sussex County. And so I think it's powerful to teach our kids firsthand the importance of, leadership is it's an action verb, right? This is something that we can do and we can have an immediate impact on people that live right here in our community. So hope you guys will join us in doing this over the next few weeks. Speaking of serving, this upcoming Saturday, we are participating with the Lake Hopatcong Foundation in a lake cleanup from 10 to 12. I think we have about 20 folks who are signed up to join me and my family. If anyone else is still interested, please let me know, and I will gladly send along some details. And then, of course, Wednesday was a wonderful day with the Halloween celebration. I thought Wendy Maxwell and Sam Rush did a tremendous job down in pre-K. We had a little scarecrow creation competition, which I hope you see outside in our circle. I know that Chris DeStefano down in preschool also had a wonderful Halloween celebration with our preschoolers. And then, of course, the many parents, Corey Stankovich and Dawn Hessler, who spearheaded the lower school parade and carnival on the upper field on Wednesday. So thank you guys so much. All right, have a wonderful weekend. I hope that for those of you that come out on Saturday, let's pray to the weather gods that we have some good weather, and that the weather that we enjoyed on Wednesday and Thursday will be around again. All right, have a great weekend, and I look forward to seeing you guys on Monday. Take care.